Welcome in our channel Learn With Us. My name is Hazim Medhat and this is our channel to learn math. In this video we will learn firstly check the point A, the distributive law. The distributive law. If I have A time bracket BC, then I distribute A times B plus A times C. Then I found that I have AB plus AC. If I have between them plus, I write plus. If I have minus, so I will write minus. Let's check out some examples. This is example solved. We will take the exercise 1. Exercise 1A first. First question, expand and simplify. Number A. It's equal to me 3 times x plus 1. Then I 3 times x plus 3 times 1 equals 3x plus 3. Y 3 times x equals 3x plus 3 times y equals 3. The second number B, 2 times 5 minus x equal 2 times 5 and 2 times x. 2 times 5 equals 10 minus 2 times x equals 2x. Third, letter C, negative times x plus 2. Negative times x, I will take negative like negative 1. Negative 1 times x equal negative x. And negative 1 times plus 2, negative times plus equal negative equal negative 2. And the same. Let's take this question. G 5 times minus y equal 5 times x equal 5x minus 5 times y equal 5y. What about h? Let's take h. 6 times negative x power 2 plus y power 2. I will distribute the same 6 times negative x power 2 equals negative 6x power 2. And 6 times y power 2 equals plus 6y power 2. Okay, the question, the number A. So we will solve all of it, and if we need anything, just make a comment to me and tell me that you are solved all of it. And if you need anything like question like letter K, you need this question, just tell me in the comment that you need K in the question number 2. So the first one, the number 1, so you will tell me K point 1 point the page B33. Okay, if you need the question. Take another question from 2. He told me to expand and simplify. What about this question?